Hello everyone, myself Avichal Mohit and I welcome all of you to the third day of our faculty development program on enhancing the quality of teaching through ICT tools. So in today's session, I am going to talk about Google Meet. As we all know, in today's pandemic situation, in order to maintain the continuity of learning, a number of schools, colleges, and institutions are using Google Meet as it is one of the simplest medium of communication. Sometimes it happens that various students comes and go. They do not attend your whole lecture. In that case, it is very difficult to register their attendance. So in this session, I am going to talk about how to register Google Meet attendance. So for this, first of all, you have to open your web browser. Now in Google search bar, you have to type Google Meet attendance. This extension I am only telling about Google Chrome because we have to add an extension in order to take attendance. Okay, so now click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Now you can see that Google Meet attendance had been added to Chrome. Now close this dialog box. This button is known as extension button. So now click on extension button. Here you see that Google Meet attendance is available. Pin this to your pin this extension. Now go back to Google Home. If you are already logged into your Gmail account, the screen will look like this. So you have to click on this button, Google Apps button. Here you will find Google Meet. Click on Google Meet button. So here is the Google Meet tab on your screen. So in order to create a class, first of all you have to click on New Meeting. When you click on New Meeting, you get three options. You have to click on second one, start an instant meeting. Here you can see that the class list is automatically appeared over here due to installation of this extension, that is Google Meet. Now I'm going to join the meeting. So here the meeting attendance dialog box is showing that your meet has started, and this dialog box is showing that start time is 5:13 a.m. duration is 0 minute and no student is now added. So in order to add students, you have to click here, then copy the joining information and send this code via different medium, via mail, via WhatsApp or any medium to your students or friends in order to join this meeting. As I have shared this code with one of my student Mukul Dikshit, so let us wait for him to join the meeting. So now you can see that Mukul Dikshit is here. He is trying to join this meeting. So I have to admit him to my meeting. So click on admit. Mukul Dikshit joined. The tick button shows that Mukul Dikshit attendance is already registered. You can also check that in this box, the first student is Mukul Dikshit. So you don't need to do anything extra in order to register the attendance. Once you install this extension, it automatically registers the attendance. I have also invited one more student to the class, so let us wait for her to join the class. So the screen shows that Vaishnavi Tiwari want to join this meeting. So now click on admit. So here Vaishnavi Tiwari also joined the meeting. In this attendance box, you can see that the attendance is automatically registered. Both of Mukul Dikshit and Vaishnavi Tiwari is Champaran. It's her username. Okay, so now you understood how to install the extension, how to create meeting, how to add participants, and how the attendance gets automatically registered. So from next time you don't need to bother about who is in the class or who left the class before you tell them to leave. Here, all the participants who enters the class, here the name of all the participant who enters the class is automatically registered. So you can get the proper information. Okay, so now clicking on this button, you can clear this field. The second option is for clear attendance checks. The third button is to modify some setting that is not needful. The fourth option is to save this attendance file. So we have to click on this button. So you can see that attend class list of today's is now available, is now downloaded. I'm going to close the meeting. Click on this button. You left the meeting, so meeting is now over. Now let us check the downloaded class list. It is downloaded in Excel format. So now you can see that attendance for class list on 24th of August 2020. Names, arrival time 5:30. Classes started at 5:30. Mukul Dikshit arrived at 5:01, stayed for 3 minutes. Okay. Vaishnavi Tiwari arrived at 5:16 and stayed for 1 minute. So you can get the detailed record of students for how much time they were in your classroom. So that's all about Google Meet's attendance tips from my side. Thank you so much.